Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the week. So in order for us to be able to predict what gold will give us for the week, we need to start with our higher time frame. Now, this is the first rule of trading, and it says you need to know where your trend is. The second rule of trading, you have to trade with the trend. So first thing first, you need to know what your trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now, pay attention to this movement on your gold. What can you say the trend is on your gold? It is very clear, it is very simple. Gold is in a downtrend move. We are in a downtrend move. Markets are literally trending to the downside. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. It was once trending to the upside, right? Then markets eventually dropped to take out this previous higher low level. Then markets eventually pull back up. Markets then did give us another drop to form a new low. You can see that this new low literally took out this previous low right here. It took out this previous low. Now, a lower high is currently playing out. So market is still playing a lower high. Once the lower high plays out finish, I want you guys to know that markets will eventually drop again. Yes, so this week we're most likely going to be a bullish move for us on our gold. Now, let's drop down to our daily time frame to see what market is doing. So this is it right here. Multiple rejection at this zone. Market once dropped to tap this level. We had it rejected and it bounced up, right? It came to this equal higher low level right here. Market then dropped again massively to tap this low. It failed, pushed up, then it dropped again, failed to break below it again, and it is now what's pushing up. Now, this is a reversal pattern right here. And the reversal pattern is a double bottom. You all know what a double bottom is? It means a change in movement. So basically, market has now given us a reversal pattern. So market is now pushing up. So we will be expecting market to push up further. So it is able to tap this resistance level. So this week will likely be a bullish move for us. So we should be targeting, if not saying less than 1000 pips. So between 1200 and 1500 pips, bullish move you will most likely going to make on your gold for the week. Now, pay attention to this movement right here, guys. This is your high and here comes your higher low. This is also your higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. This is the higher low, right? So we will be expecting market to push up one more time to form a new higher high. So this week will be a bullish move for us on gold. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.